And just chat.
Motherfucker. Motherfucker.
I want to be in the video.
My name's Kayla. Wow, Jess. Hold it up, not by my crotch.
My name's Kayla and I have issues.
I'm gonna beat the shit out of you.
Wow.
Let's take it.
It's like,
So we all could be.
This is Jessica. That's Shelby. That's her name. Get it right.
No. She's moving her leg. Then why do you move your leg?
We're gonna do it now. See, they're doing it. Let me see the camera. Camera. This is Jessica and her girlfriend. They're gonna do it now. Jade. This is Jade.
Oh
There we
my
go. This is Nessa and Courtney, and they're gonna do it now. Go. Go. Oh yeah, that's it. That's the spot.
No.
This is me and Kayla, and we're not gonna do it because Kayla's taken, and I'm her friend.
I'm gonna
Yeah, I'm single too.
You
So
barely got
single.
I said that.
This is Jade. We're gonna get so close that she doesn't even know.
Wow.
Even going.
Get her.
No.
I can't believe that shit's still going, dude. I love. Ow! Ow!
Zoom in on Kayla's.
Get Kayla, dude. Moneymaker. In her dreams.
No. That's how you're zoomed up.
Real.
Does it go any further? No.
Why do we all
This song.
tears?